Hey guys, Revs Gaming here, coming at you with another video. Okay, so today, it's not really going to be a commentary video, because it is my 100 sub special. 100. Boys, we finally made it. It's our goal for this year. It was our goal. It was our goal to make it to 100 this year, boys. And we made it. Yeah? Good job. Thanks to you guys. And today I'm going to make a video for that 100 sub special. Yep. Alright. The rest is going to be like clips and stuff. There's going to be one big clip at the end. And it's going to be perfect. I've been working on it for solid 2 weeks. That's why I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I am sorry for that. And I will upload. Alright. Revs Gaming out. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends. Click the bell, join the Revs Gaming notification squad. Hope you guys like the video. Adios. Hey guys, it's Revs Gaming here, coming at you another video. This is lit every day. Revs Gaming here, coming at you another video.
I got kicked! I got kicked!
Hey guys, Revs Gaming here, coming at you another video.
Brew beer!
Alright, so we found Connor Garrity. Hey guys, it's Revs Gaming coming at you with another video. Okay, so today we will be going. Hey guys, it's Revs Gaming here coming at you with another video. Okay, so today it's Revs Gaming Adventures Part 3. Ow, that hurt.
Hello, people. This is my very first video of Revs Gaming.
Hey guys, Revs Gaming here, back at you. Alright, you know it. I hope you guys like that short montage, little clip, you know, of my personal successes, and alright, I got another surprise for you guys, just because of you. I got my 100 sub play button from YouTube. Revs Gaming play button. Yes, they sent me this today. I just got it in the mail, bro. This is legit. That's metal right there. Just a little closer look, you know? Just to show its true metalness. Alright guys, short little video, 100 sub special, you know how it is. I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to be safe, Revs Gamers. Revs Gaming out.